Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Today we begin exploring green logistics for Japanese car parts shipments. What will it take to move tiny, high-value car parts across oceans with a lighter footprint? By this time the answer is clear. Green logistics will sit at the center of how Japanese automakers ship parts, from semiconductors and sensors to bumpers and brake kits. The goal is simple: cut emissions, keep reliability, protect margins. The path is layered. Cleaner fuels, smarter packaging, better data, and closer supplier ties work together like a well-tuned hybrid drivetrain. If you source or ship parts for Japanese cars, this playbook will help you set targets, pick tools, and move faster without waste. Why this time is a turning point? Regulators and customers are raising the bar. Global brands face Scope 3 reporting pressure, and freight emissions sit right in that spotlight. Japanese makers also run tight JIT systems, so any green step has to protect flow. At this time, the winning supply chains will be the ones that pair low-carbon transport with reliable right-time delivery. Think steady cadence, less air freight, better load factors, and cleaner last mile. Core targets for part shipments. Cut transport emissions per shipped part with cleaner fuels and optimized modes. Reduce air freight dependency through smarter planning and buffer stock where it counts. Increase container and vehicle fill rates using data-led consolidation. Switch to recyclable and returnable packaging that protects parts and reduces weight. Add end-to-end visibility so teams can choose the greenest practical option and not just the fastest. Decarbonizing ocean, air, rail, and road. Most Japanese car parts move in multimodal chains. Each leg offers different levers. Ocean freight. Book carriers that can supply verified low-carbon fuel blends. Ask for emissions factors and traceability in biofuels and methanol-ready vessels. Use slow steaming when lead times allow longer transit and lower fuel burn. Favor ports with shore power and efficient rail connections to inland hubs. Air freight. Where air is needed, use sustainable aviation fuel programs and ask for claim documentation. Shift urgent flows to express ocean by pairing faster vessels with earlier order triggers to avoid last-minute air. Smaller, smarter packs matter in air. Every kilogram counts. Rail and road. Use electrified rail corridors to move from port to distribution centers by rail, then finish by truck. Deploy battery electric and hydrogen trucks for drayage and regional runs, and start with fixed lanes and predictable loads. Consider bio-CNG or HVO in markets where electric fleets are limited. Packaging that saves carbon and cash. Packaging is a quiet hero in green logistics. It affects weight cube and damage rates. Use right-sized boxes to reduce void fill and dimensional weight, and aim for a snug fit with recyclable inserts. Employ returnable totes and racks in closed loops between Japanese plants and regional hubs to cut one-way materials. Use stackable designs to improve cube utilization and reduce the number of pallets per shipment. Use QR-coded packs to track return cycles, damage and reuse counts. Switching a set of sensors from foam in box to a molded pulp insert can trim weight in plastic while keeping drop protection. Lower mass, lower cost, fewer breakages. Smarter consolidation without breaking JIT. JIT is not the enemy of green shipping. It just needs better planning. Use micro buffers for critical items so small safety stock for high-risk parts prevents emergency air. Run milk runs from suppliers with fixed pickup schedules to support predictable consolidation and higher truck fill. Tag SKUs by urgency and sensitivity so you can green route the flexible ones and expedite only the few that matter. Use cross-dock logic to pool shipments at origin and destination to build full containers and reduce partial loads. Data measurement and real-time choices. Without data, green plans drift. Use tools that show emissions and service trade-offs. Align emissions accounting with ISO 14083 for consistent calculations across modes and carriers. Do scenario planning to compare door-to-door options by cost, time, and carbon dioxide before you book. Use IoT and telematics to track temperature shock and geolocation so fewer damage claims mean fewer reshipments. Use predictive ADAS and machine learning to help teams switch from air to ocean when delays are low risk. You've seen key shifts in transport, packaging, and data. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.